Hello, and this is my birthday polynomial project by me, Jarrod, of course, because obviously this is for grade and I gotta get it done. In order to actually complete this birthday polynomial project, I have to use the most essential piece of information, which is actually my birthday. In order to create my polynomial, I was told that I had to use the numbers of my birthday, which was November 29, 1999, and the numbers are 11/29, 1999. In order to create the polynomial, I first had to flip the numbers in order to make the order 99919211, and I was able to create the equation 9x to the 7th power minus 9x to the 6th power plus 9x to the 5th power plus 1x to the 4th power minus 9x to the 3rd power plus 2x to the 2nd power minus 1x plus 1. The order of the addition and subtraction was chosen at random to create the best graph I thought best represented me, because this sequence made the graph look a lot more complicated and the way I would have preferred it to look. As you can see here, this is how my graph looks, which looks like an ordinary polynomial, except that in the middle it's a little bit different and it does not have that straight edge. And the domain of my graph is in negative infinity to infinity, as well as the range negative infinity to infinity. Y-intercept. My y-intercept for my polynomial was at 0, 1, and in order to get this, I had to substitute all my x's in my equation to 0. And when doing this, multiplying times 0 canceled out all the numbers with an x except for the plus 1 at the end, making the polynomial intersect at 0, 1. Real number zeros. The zeros in my graph were at the locations where my polynomial was to cross the x-axis, and my zeros were at negative 0.827, 0, 0.547, 0, and last 0.841, 0. These were the three intersections that my polynomial had at the x-axis. Relative minimums and maximums. The maximum is the highest part at which your polynomial curves, and your minimum is the lowest part at which your polynomial curves. My maximum occurred at negative 0.615, 3.03, and my minimum occurred at 0.725, negative 0.384. End behavior. The end behavior can be described as rising from the bottom left and descending as it reaches towards the right side and ascending again towards the top right side. My polynomial is neither odd or even, nor is it symmetrical. My relation to my polynomial is in relation to an event that occurred recently, which is my TSA trip. During TSA, I was greatly excited towards my event and competition, which would occur on Friday. As you can see, my polynomial rises, but as the day continued and I was supposed to submit my project, one of the judges broke the engine where I was supposed to make my rocket fly, causing me and my excitement to go down. And this excitement went down a little slower when I had the solution, which was glue, although I feared that it would not be enough, so it greatly reduced. But in the end, I was greatly excited because I, in the end, had enough glue to actually fix my rocket, and it was able to fly high, and it's gonna make me win a place that I believe I would deserve. And thank you for watching my polynomial about my birthday.